French people serve the most fatty, cheesy, saucy food in the world, but you don't ever see fat French people. You don't. Oh my God, that was delicious. We're Michael and Halef. Together with our German Shepherd Kana,
this is for you.
We've been traveling full-time around the United States in our camper van.
Kana, what you doing?
We arrived in Canada to explore the vast land of the Great White North. So come, join us and travel around Canada in our home on wheels. Previously on the vlog, we visited New Glasgow Lobster Suppers, one of Prince Edward Island's legendary dining destinations.
Make it official, Michael.
We really enjoyed our excellent lobster meals. And today, we're leaving this beautiful island. We hope to be back soon to explore more of Prince Edward Island.
And this time, nobody's escorting us out.
Libre service literally means free service. Free of charge. This is all where they're testing people for COVID. Doesn't look like they're doing too much today.
Bye-bye, BI.
We're back in New Brunswick. And before heading west, there are a few last-minute stops to make in the province.
There you go, Michael.
We're at the biggest axe, another one of Halef's biggest things that he needs to see. But this one's in New Brunswick.
It's actually pretty big. Funny. What do you think of the world's largest axe, Kana? What do you think?
It's a big axe. And it's not even a big axe. That was my treat for you.
Yes, I didn't even know they exist here. New Brunswick, we love you. Yes, we do.
Finally, we are crossing over into Quebec. Bienvenue à Quebec.
All right, no more English.
We're gonna light it up like dynamite. Oh.
What you singing?
I'm singing your favorite BTS song.
Yes. And just like that, we are officially in Quebec. Woohoo, Quebec!
And here comes the rain. And what's Quebec without eating poutine? A signature Quebecois dish. That's precisely what we have to do first.
Oh my God, how big is it?
Proper cheese curds because they squeak.
The proper poutine. Oh my God, and a hot dog, of course. Why not? All the cheese there. Damn.
And speaking of eating delicacy dishes, our appetite brought us to Quebec City, a beautiful historic town along the St. Lawrence River.
Back to city life.
Back to city life in Quebec.
All the scrapes along the wall.
From people who weren't as fantastic at driving as me.
Yes, I wholeheartedly agree.
We're in Quebec City today, and it is a little bit of an overcast day, but that's fine because what we have planned here today takes place inside this building behind us.
That is actually one of the most popular restaurants here in Quebec City, so we have to make a reservation, but we actually have one today for dinner.
Now, I haven't told Halef what this means yet, but the restaurant is called the Lapin Saute.
Well, according to what I've seen outside, it seems like something involves some bunny rabbits and something else.
Now, I've had lots of rabbits. As a kid, I grew up eating them.
Yeah, I never really had rabbit before, and I feel pretty guilty about eating one, but when in Quebec City...
Today is not the day to feel guilty. Today is the day to enjoy your rabbit. They prepare it crystallized, they prepare it sauteed, they do bake it in pies, and they have like a maple dessert that's really famous here.
Yes.
So we're gonna try everything. So what do you say, you hungry?
All right, let's go.
Well, we can't go right yet. We gotta walk around a little bit first because our reservation is not until 5:30, and it's only about 3:30 right now. Quebec City is one of the most beautiful cities in North America. And we really just enjoy walking around the quaint streets and narrow alleys of the city. It is, as you can tell, a beautiful sunny day. I'm just kidding, it's not that sunny actually, but it's actually beautiful here. Last time I was here was about 30 years ago, and this is the Fairmont Chateau Frontenac, the famous hotel in Quebec City. So Connor, this is your 5th province. New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, Prince Edward Island, and now you're in Quebec. What do you think? I wish it was sunny. Just too many construction noises around here.
Yes.
She's loving her day. Let's go.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's really beautiful here. This is very, very European, except for all the Canadians.
You hungry, Michael?
I'm pretty hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast, except for an apple.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna eat a rabbit. This is it, and the worst part is we have to wait 15 minutes more for our reservation. I'm starving.
Yeah.
I want to eat a rabbit. It's a small place, isn't it? Or is it upstairs too?
I don't know. Well, it is advertised to be like a country-style restaurant inside the city wall. It's really inviting from the outside.
Keeping my mask on because my nose is cold.
Just being shy.
No, I'm not being shy. Just me? Seriously?
That's true. Very true.
It's a cute little restaurant. I can't wait.
Vaccine passport.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. It's right here.
So the interior of this place looks like a little cabin with tables throughout it. Just a bunch of weird stuff on the walls like a rabbit. I don't know how to describe it. Very small. It's very homey. And it just feels like you're eating in some kind of underground kitchen, that's underground dining room that someone set up. Merci beaucoup. So for our main course, we're going to order Tout Lapin Tout Canard.
Small bread, yeah.
It's good though, and I'm going to eat some because I'm hungry.
Yes, you are.
We order some appetizers like lettuce. We have some raw carrots, some celery, some grass. I'm sorry, I can't get over the fact that we're sitting here eating like rabbit and ducks. I feel bad. Yeah, I asked for some quackers, but they don't have any for my soup of the day.
Oh wow,
That's a lot of food.
Bread, chandu.
Oh, that's a great setup.
I'm going to need a bigger table.
Big to eat.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. It smells good, man.
I can't smell anything. My nose is stuffed up, but I'm feeling fine. Should point out, by the way, that all these ingredients are from Quebec. Everything, right down to the vegetables. So what have we got here on our plate tonight? Well, we'll try to explain it. This is the duck. This is the rabbit. Potatoes on a bed of sweet potatoes. This is duck foie gras, which I'm ethically against, but I'm going to try it. And this is bread. This is the roasted garlic. I'm going to try dipping this in the fondue. My head is saying fondant, but my heart is saying fondue. And since this is a meal for two, I will share it with you.
Okay. All right, first bite.
Oh, that's delicious. I've had duck breast before, but I've never had duck leg. That's good. That brown sauce, I think they call it devil sauce, is delicious. That's amazing. Oh my god. It's horseradish.
Yeah.
I love horseradish.
The star of the dish is definitely the rabbit. I never had rabbit before, but you know, here we go. Oh my god, the meat just falls apart because it is so tender. Wow, look at that. Start to bite yourself. Oh, sorry guys, we're not classy at all. Oh, so good. There's so many different tastes here that I never had before, and it's so unique to my, I guess, palate, my Indonesian palate. I never had anything like this before. It was really good. So we're having really good dinner tonight.
Delicious. It's my first time ever having foie gras. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. I actually don't really understand why people like it so much. I was sort of kidding at the beginning, but
Wash it down with beer.
oh yes, I'm with you on it. I'm gonna eat it because I don't want to waste it, but I'm not a big fan of foie gras. I just decided that.
Also reminds me of Spam.
In Newfoundland growing up, we had something called potted meat. People from Newfoundland will know what I mean. That's probably as close as it gets to that.
Roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic, you kind of have to take and squeeze it out.
Oh, is that how you eat it?
Roasted garlic is one of my favorite things. This is cold. I thought it was going to be warm. So let me give you some. It's a good thing we won't be around too many people tonight.
No.
I love roasted garlic. There's nothing bad I can say about it, except it's probably better in the sauce. Everything is better in the sauce.
Just seems like a slices of deli meat of some sort. I'm just gonna eat it raw. It's not raw. I'm just gonna eat it as is. It just tastes like a raw bacon, but it's cooked. Chewiness to it. Yeah, fully tastes. Is it cold? It is cold. Yeah. I know it's not pretty, but I don't know if it's supposed to look pretty or not. But this is really messy. But it's so good. How about this? This thing. Dipping in the sauce that Michael loves.
Don't ruin my sauce. Everything's better in the sauce.
What is it?
I have no idea, but it's tasty.
Yeah.
What you can do is just maybe buy some of this sauce from them and just have everything with it.
Yes.
Every day is a gourmet meal.
Yes. What is it called? Like a pate, right? This seems to be like a really fine grounded meat. Oh, full of seasoning, and it's slightly sweet, and it is probably my new favorite thing. Wow. It's all good stuff, huh?
French people serve the most fatty, cheesy, saucy food in the world, but you don't ever see fat French people. You don't. Oh my God, that was delicious.
Yep.
I can see what you meant by it tastes like the bacon.
Yep.
It tastes like raw bacon, but obviously not raw bacon. It's just really good. Want a pickle?
I'll have pickle. There you go. A rare footage of me eating pickle.
I'm not sure what this is. It's like a little surprise I found at the bottom of my food. It's got mustard seeds in it, so it must be a kind of a tapenade of mustard seeds or something like that. We can. What is this? Well, I think it was a radish. That's delicious. You're constantly discovering things on this plate.
There's a reason why French cooking is famous. We get 7 or 8 different ingredients here that I never tasted before. It tastes all very different. Would I recommend this place? I think so. Even though, you know, at the beginning you feel bad because you're eating rabbit and whatnot. But if you're ever in Quebec City, absolutely visit this place.
I think I like the duck. I mean, I like it all. Not a big fan of this bacon-looking thing, although it's good. Even though we don't have refined palates like a lot of people, I'm sure this is all very, very delicious. Good pick, good spot to come.
What you doing?
Taking some home from Canada. Is that bad?
No.
I'm just making her a little bit, like stuff that I know she can eat. I forgot to get her some duck. She is gonna forget that we left her so quickly after she probably is gonna hate foie gras though, especially after I tell her what it is. That's my literal doggy bag.
You're a good daddy.
Actually, how about that for a fancy package for the dog? And the only reason I did this because when I set it on my phone, all the grease dripped through.
So we can't really pass on dessert. $4 for 2 truffles. It's love chocolate truffles.
Smells delicious.
Yeah, try one.
You gonna eat the whole thing? Oh, they're pretty hard.
Yeah.
Excuse me. There you go. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm having one.
Very good.
I'm having the other half. Crunchy on the outside with chocolate. It's almost like a caramel inside. This is really good.
Here we go. It's my part. An excellent meal if it's close by a good dessert. And make me less guilty killing buddies for dinner. But this is really good.
How much do you think it was?
108.
She didn't understand me, so. It's beautiful out here, isn't it?
Yep.
Especially at night when everything's lit up and there's not the crowds. You just have the whole place to yourself.
Yep. All right, moment of truth.
Hi! Hey, hey, hey!
Oh.
What have I got? Do you want some rabbit? Do you want some rabbit? Take it now. Okay, just lick, 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 lick. No, don't eat the paper. There you go. Good girl. See, we don't forget you. So that was one of the more upscale meals that I've ever had.
And it is absolutely enjoyable.
Did you think bunnies and ducklings were going to be so good?
Yes.
I could have done a little bit without the foie gras, but everything else was with the foie gras was good too. But it was perfect. Everything was great, and the service was excellent.
Yeah, if you think about the French cuisine and duck and rabbit, it's actually a very elevated dish.
Yeah,
together.
We're definitely not used to. We're used to sandwiches. So, but we loved it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow our adventures around North America, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get updated every time we post something new about eating furry little animals,
hit the bell.
Merci beaucoup pour regarder notre vidéo.
Anna, sit. Sit. No, that's not sitting. There we go. Be nice. Take it nice. Jesus. It's getting darker and darker, isn't it?
I'm so hungry I could eat the Easter Bunny. And it's going to be all rabbit and all duck. Are you ready to kill Bugs Bunny and Donald Duck?
Oh my God, yes.